Welcome back as we feature New Orleans, the Big Easy. Ever since I was a kid, I've always heard about the City of Lights, the City of Celebration. That's right, Nola, New Orleans. However you want to call her, this is the City of Celebration, the birthplace of jazz and legendary musician Louis Armstrong, not to mention home to the iconic Marie Laveau, the infamous John Pierre Lafitte, and Fats Domino. This city has it all: history, food, culture, and grit. Join us as we take a look through New Orleans, here on Every Turn, New Adventure. Hey. All right, so we are strolling. We are jamming away.
I'm biting on some jellies.
We are ready for round two of what Nola has to offer. Our tour guide. The one and only Charles in the house, baby.
Dollar for dollar.
Right here in the flesh, we're having a great time. There's a reason why they call New Orleans the Big Easy. I have just found out.
It is chill AF.
What an outstanding place to just really, if you're an American citizen, this is one of the places you have to come and see.
And it doesn't feel like any other place in the United States.
At all.
Oh, yeah, it's one of its own.
At all.
It's like, it's unique.
Yeah.
The food, the culture, the art, the
Everything.
music.
There's so much of everything in the
People you get
culture.
to meet from all around the world every single day.
He has been here for a while now, and so his experience here is very rich.
It's very rich. It's like, it's never the same thing.
It's never a dull moment.
Never know.
We had an amazing time last night, just bar hopping around the epic Bourbon Street.
I know New Orleans ate Bourbon Street, but we ended up going down Bourbon Street and having the best time.
Yes.
Fuck it.
Phenomenal.
Fuck it.
Phenomenal. This is round two. We're going to go ahead and scope out the streets. Thanks a lot for joining us. We're Every Turn.
Good adventure.
We'll see you soon, guys.
See you in a minute.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? La cosa bacana de este lugar es que aquí la ciudad no le gusta hacer muchas remodelaciones y quiere tener todo bastante tradicional. Entonces Pero porque tú te estás que te emputas. Yo te estoy hablando a ti.
And you haven't even been to New Orleans. El tipo no se ha ido de Bourbon Street los 3 días que me quedo aquí.
Tú eres, imagínate, mira, ella es la mala, ella es la mala. Venga para acá, mala. Nola is a fun city to go explore, so we recommend getting the Jazzy Pass from the trolley. You'll see most of the city, and you'll meet some cool people along the way. The city's architecture offers a mix of variety from colonial roots to traditional religious designs. The highlight of the ride are the decorated homes, all in celebration of the numerous parades the city hosts. Yes, it's safe to say that New Orleans is a fun city filled with life. We're taking in all the sights, all the sounds, all the beauty that New Orleans has to offer. The Garden District is...
We're on the famous St. Charles Street, and we are by the famous Garden District. We're walking the streets. We're taking in all the beautiful oak trees.
We are.
And all the beautiful homes.
This is an incredible place filled with beauty, beautiful homes. For a carnival, everybody
gets together, dresses up, has a wonderful time together. Doesn't matter where you are from, what color skin you are together in harmony and happiness. It's an awesome feeling to be out here. Really, truly is. I'm very excited to continue to explore more. So thanks a lot for joining us. Una belleza de lugar, esta ciudad, de verdad, la gente es muy alegre. Toda la gente que hemos conocido hasta ahora son muy buena onda, lo toman todo tranquilo, no tratan de... Es la diferencia entre Nueva York y San Francisco. Y si tuviera que elegir un lugar donde quedarme, este fuera el lugar, definitivamente. Este lugar es bacanísimo. Gente alegre. Gente alegre. Tienen las carrozas. Ajá. Mantienen todo tradicional y todo a ese nivel, a esa clase. Entonces, imagínate. Y cuando hacen aquí las paradas de carnaval, igualito a Barranquilla. ¿Verdad? ¿Qué vas a sacar? Nosotros somos inteligentes porque nosotros agarramos nuestras propias bebidas y comenzamos a caminar y la pasamos súper chévere. ¿Ya te vas a amputar conmigo? ¿Ah? Déjame probar tu bebida. Ah. ¿Qué le pusiste a esta bebida? ¿Y por qué tú le pones más a la tuya que a la mía?
Porque tú no has comido.
Tú eres una mala influencia para mí. Así que se goza para ahorrar un poco el dinero acá en esta vaina, porque si no te vas a gastar toda la plata allá en ron y con todos estos piratas que hay aquí. ¿Verdad? Hay un poquetón de piratas aquí en esta vaina. Yo prefiero tener my drunken pirate right here. Prefiero mantener mi pirata cerca de que lejos. Nosotros somos los bartenders. No necesitamos bartender, nosotros lo tiene que dar el tipo.
Conmigo tú sabes que tú siempre tienes tu personal bartender.
¿Verdad? Likewise. Eso es verdad conmigo también. Hay que decir que aquí lo que en realidad ellos... Ok, ¿por qué es que le llaman Bourbon Street? Why do they call it Bourbon Street? No tiene nada que ver con Bourbon, ¿verdad?
Pero creo que fue algo que pasó
y se quedó.
Fue algo turístico que quedó así, pero no tiene nada que ver. Cheers.
Salud, mi reina. Te amo. Y vamos a disfrutar.
Vamos.
Seguimos en la rumba. El carro borrachín. Cuidado que después vamos a terminar nosotros en el carrito borrachín. Mi gente, un buen lugar para pasar. Este lugarcito aquí. La comida está del carajo, para que sepa.
If you're gonna go to New Orleans and you're gonna party your ass off, that's great. The party is awesome. It never ends. But aside from that, don't forget to try the gumbo, the muffalata, the fresh beignets in the morning, or the delicious po' boy with signature smoked beans and sausage, not to mention the traditional jambalayas. Hell, you can even try the French toast with breakfast grits with andouille sausage. There's so many places. Just stop by and check out those areas because they're well worth a visit.
The seafood egg rolls, my friends, in this place are stellar. So yeah, highly recommend Nola.
Oh, so good.
Very nice.
One cannot get tired of this place. It's so delish.
Right on. No. Right on. All right, we're gonna grab a little detour. We're gonna go meet up with a friend for some creepies. He is a creepy, isn't he? He's a creepy.
He follows
In the creepy.
In the spirit of creepies, I loved him because he was a creepy.
Yeah, so we're gonna go meet up with Mr. Krill, and you're gonna meet him. So.
Well, that's all for now. Come back again as we explore the wild side of Nola, as we take you on a swamp tour. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for joining us here on Every Turn, New Adventure. Oh man, I love this city.